guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking through a couple items that I purchased from the beauty bakery. I also will be showing you how I got this look if you are interested in that. As always guys, don't forget to hit that subscription down below if you want to see more videos. I really appreciate your support. I really hope that you guys enjoy this review and hear my thoughts on these products, and let's get started. Alright, to start off with, I've already used my Morphe Translucent Primer to prep my eyes for eyeshadow, and then I used my Anastasia Brow Pomade in Taupe to do my eyebrows. So with that already done, I am going to jump into the foundation, and this is what it looks like. It claims our Cake Mix foundation is a medium to full coverage demi-matte foundation infused with vitamin E. Oil-free and lightweight cake mix lets bake your cake without eating it too. Since I have oily skin, I'm always attracted to a matte foundation. So we'll see how this works out on my skin. I have not tried this on before. I've never bought anything from this brand, so we'll see how this turns out. This is what it looks like when you open up the little flap here. Then this mirror says, "Who's the sweetest of them all?" I love this frosted bottle. And then even the rose gold, that is so cute. I love that. I love a rose gold packaging. And it comes with a pump. All right, I'm gonna get out my trusty sponge. It feels nice. I think I got the right color actually. This is really showing my pores. I'm gonna go in with a brush because this isn't working very well with this sponge. So I'm going to try a brush and see if that makes a difference. I'm going to use my Morphe M439. Okay, and then I'm going to dip my brush into it. Okay, that's much better. Definitely use a brush for this because the sponge did not work for this foundation. Put another dot on my hand here. Definitely is buildable, but I'm wanting a little bit more coverage here. I'm surprised this color is working on me. It's a little bit darker than what I would normally wear. My pores were showing so bad with this sponge, so I'm using my brush and it's turned out a lot better. I definitely need to play around with this more, but I really do like it. The packaging is adorable, and I'll have to see how long this wears, but as far as a first impression, very nice. The next item that I wanted to try, oops, not that one, is their Cake Face Concealer. So let's hope I got the right shade. I'm just gonna do one eye at a time because ooh, this feels like it's gonna set in really fast. Wow, that set in really fast. This is full coverage. I can see a huge difference on this side as compared to this side. I would only do one eye at a time though because the stuff sets in so fast. Well, I wasn't gonna go for a full coverage look today, but with this concealer I am. Kind of using it as my base for my eyeshadow too. I love how matte this is. I really like this. It does pair well with this foundation. I feel like I went for more of a medium coverage look with my foundation, and then the concealer just completely pulled the look together. I didn't realize how much I would like a full coverage concealer, but I like this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish with the rest of my makeup. I'm going to put this liquid matte lipstick, their Lip Whip, on at the end. I'm really excited about this. everybody. So now we are ready to try the liquid lip, the Lip Whip. And also this says that it is cruelty free and vegan friendly. So I went for this purple shade because I've been wanting to try like a dark lip color. Ooh, that applicator is different. I don't think I've ever seen an applicator like that. Ooh, I really like that. Yeah, so that is all that I tried from this brand. I really like this color. It's like a deep raspberry. It's drying pretty quickly. I have been wanting to try like a really pretty raspberry purple lip color, and I really like this color. It's so pretty. You know what it reminds me of is like a Lily Collins look. Anyway guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I had so much fun creating this look for you guys and reviewing these products for you. I really am interested in trying some more things from Beauty Bakerie. I like everything that I've tried so far. At first the foundation I was a little bit iffy about, but once I switched to a brush to apply this, it went on really well and I like how it turned out. I haven't seen a change in color. I really like how this looks on me. It looks like a natural finish, and that's what I like about it. So really happy with the Cake Mix foundation. And then also this was a big hit. I am really liking this concealer. I just have to make sure that I put it on one eye at a time because otherwise it'll settle into the skin really fast. So really like this concealer. It is full coverage and I like that. Out of the 3 things that I bought from Beauty Bakerie, this thing wins. I love this lip color. I will be wearing this so much. I love it. But anyway, that is all that I have for you guys today, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!